Look at the environment, so cool here. Our food just came. This is the spaghetti. Little market here that sells Disney products.
It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay.
Good morning. We are at Shibuya Station today. We're gonna go to the Shibuya Hikarie shopping mall. We're gonna go check out a Disney cafe. Hi, Erika. I like your mini dress. Pretty. The cafe is called the Harvest Market on the 7th floor. So many other good-looking restaurants too. We made a reservation for 11 a.m. The mall is not open yet, but they have a separate entrance and elevator that goes directly to the restaurant floor. So let's go now to the 7th floor. 7th floor. So we couldn't access the 7th floor yet. Maybe it's gonna be available for 11. So we're coming up to the 11th floor. There is a sky lobby. Let's go check it out. That's the Shibuya area, the station area. That's the Shibuya stream where Google office is. We're now taking the escalator down back to the 7th floor. Ah, so cute. Yeah, we found the Disney Harvest Market. Yeah, this is a Disney cafe. Konnichiwa. Oh, so cute. Where? Show me. Oh, oh, 本当だ。すごい大きい。That's so cool. Wow. すごい。おー、ありがとうございます。We just sat down. Look at the environment, so cool here. No one's here yet because I guess we're the earliest.
ディズニー4つの約束を守ったメニューを提案しております。例えばお食事ご利用でしたらこちらから始まります。バーガーもジャンボの種類を使うなど体が喜ぶ楽しいメニュー続いていきます。デザートやドリンクメニューに関しても、もちろんこの4つの約束を守ったお題をしております。種類あります。パンケーキ、リンゴジュースの記載ありますが、ミルクに変更も可能でございます。今特別なメニューがこちらのものになります。春限定のいちご、たっぷりなアフタヌーンティーセットは2名様分からのご注文が可能でございます。ぜひご覧ください。
So she just explained the menu that they are very healthy, that they have very good control on calorie, on salt level and fat level, and trans fat. So all the meals, including dessert, they said, are adhering to that policy. So we have burgers here. There's a chicken plate with rice. Looks really good. There's a whole tomato chicken kale spaghetti. And this is gratin. They all look really good. Let's see what we should get. Oh yeah, and I think we're gonna get a pancake. The pancake looks really good too. Yeah, Erica's lingo juice, apple juice just came. I got a kale and green tea matcha smoothie. Grandma got this beets and mixed berry juice. Our food just came. This is the spaghetti. And this is the chicken and rice dish. We also got a burger. The little hands are so cute. Hi, Erika. We just finished lunch, and then this is the pink pancake. So pretty. Everything's so healthy here. Even the whipped cream is actually made of yogurt. Really healthy cafe. 美味しかったね。We just finished lunch. It cost us about 1,100 yen. And they also have a little market here that sells Disney products, which I actually haven't seen outside or in the Disneyland. So yeah, so if you happen to be in Shibuya, this might be a cool place to check out, and especially super easy to make a reservation online. Make sure you reserve. There's a Mickey here, yeah. Make sure you reserve because there will be a way if you don't reserve. So pretty. Alright, see you next time.